leaders, abantu banyali bali moraboli. Parama koko iga abantu banyali bali. Mbiyamole. Your Excellency, it's been a few weeks, if not days, since we asked you to come to Nyanturago Stadium. You are with us in South Magirango, and a few months ago, you were just a stone throw away at the homecoming of Mr. Ezekiel Machogu. You've been very gracious to honor our invitation, and you came with a short notice. Shakespeare would say that you've been thrice fairer than ourselves. We thank you for that. Your Excellency, Nyarivari is one, and all the issues Zaire Janda raised are replicated in Nyarivari Masava. Our road network, our schools, and our water. In fact, Your Excellency, this is the only tarmac road that passes through Nyarivari, and it comes from Keroka to Nyangusu. In theory, we have no tarmac road in Nyarivari Masava, or even Nyarivari Chache. But I know that through your intervention, and because I asked you last time, you have put in place mechanisms, and I'm aware that very soon you'll be coming to launch the famous Keroka, Ivacho, Kiamokama Road. I also know that through your intervention, we are going to get a road from Nyanturago, Nyamasivi to Ekona. We thank you for that, Your Excellency. Abantu baminto egento kyo moerio. Ntu agate chikura tuwakora. Taribo. Mbale ngaba bateba bono iga tuwate William Ruto. Ngorogia makokango. Mbale ngaba bateba amangana ali chikura tuwatigire. Abantu baminto intumna barai banyali bali no musikejanda otuwateba otuwakolega sinera. We have no differences in Parliament. We work as leaders of the Kisi under the leadership of Silvana Sosoro. I want to tell you, our people, that in everything we do, we think of you first. As Paul wrote to the Philippians, you are our brethren. And we have agreed that to develop our country and our constituency, we shall be co-workers. And us, as your leaders, have sacrificed everything to ensure that you get the best opportunities possible from government. And so, we are working with William Samoei. William Samoei.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Manduku. Mheshimiwa Rais, sasa ningependa kumwalika mama wetu wa